Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get BAT in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen near the address bar. You'll notice a BAT icon there, which stands for Basic Attention Token. This is Brave's native cryptocurrency that you can earn simply by browsing. Go ahead and click on that BAT icon to proceed. After clicking the BAT icon, you'll see a menu appear with an option that says Start Using Brave Rewards. Click on this button to begin the setup process. Brave Rewards is the feature that allows you to earn BAT tokens while you browse, making your everyday internet usage actually rewarding. Next, you'll be prompted to select your region. Click on the drop-down menu that appears and choose your country or region from the list. This step is important because it determines which rewards and features are available to you based on your location. Once you've selected your region, click Continue to move forward. Now, you'll see an option to connect account. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll link your Brave browser to a wallet or account that can hold your BAT tokens. Without this connection, you won't be able to receive or manage your earned rewards. After clicking Connect Account, Brave will present you with different options for how you want to hold or receive your BAT tokens. You'll see a list of available services that integrate with Brave Rewards. Take a moment to review the options and select your preferred method from the list. This choice determines where your earned BAT will be stored and how you can access it later. And that's it. You've now set up BAT in your Brave browser and you're ready to start earning rewards just by browsing the web. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.